Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this without using Photoshop and without knowing any editing skill, okay? And the best part is it's totally free and you can do it in 5 minutes. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you another tools that are going to save you a lot of time, okay? So the only thing you have to do is go to the link down below where I have r.tedsend.com and a website like this is going to open for you. So I already have an image right here, but you only have to go which says upload, and it's going to take maybe 5 or 10 seconds, maybe a little bit more depending on the traffic, to upload the image. It will transform your image immediately. So you will see here you have like a scroll section. I'm going to show you the results right now. Okay, so prepare for this. Look at this. This is AI. Sometimes like all the images you generate have like these weird eyes and details you don't want, right? So this is gonna give you like a polish up, if we can call it like that. So you're gonna get like more human results, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna try with another one, like a little bit more complex, because this one looks easier, right? You say, oh my god, this is easier. I'm gonna upload another one. As you can see, it's gonna take like maybe 10, 15 seconds, depending on the amount of traffic is going on the website. But I'm showing you the results. Here you have two versions. You can try with the two version. There is no difference between them, but they have the versions right there. So yeah, once it is ready, it's gonna say success, right? And you have to move like this. So this is an image where you say like, damn, this is terrible, right? But now look at this. You just scroll this, move it to the left, and it's gonna eliminate all those details you don't want in your picture. Like, let me show you. Original, and this one is after. Like, look, it only polished the face because it's face restoration. It's not gonna change any detail of your body or background. Okay? And as a bonus, as I told you, I have a bonus right here. After that, you just click download and you have it. There you go. Now, what if I just don't like the background and I don't want to go to another website to eliminate the background? Well, they have an option for that. So here it's gonna scan and find the body shape, the face, and it's gonna eliminate the background in maybe 5 or 10 seconds, maybe less than that. Then you click download, and that's it. It can even work with 2 or 3 characters. Like, this is awesome, bro. And the link for this in the description. This is totally free. You can use it as many times as you want. And yeah, here I have another one, which is maybe more for animated uh, drawings or cartoons. Like if you have them like blurry or something, it's gonna give you like an HD look, you know. So yeah, that's it. If you find this helpful, just hit the like button and subscribe, because I'm gonna give you more tools like this. I'm gonna be showing you many other tools and are great for you and this a image generating stuff, which is fascinating. So yeah, see you on the next one, guys.